identity. Did you know where the name Dalat, the capital city of Lâm Đồng Province, comes from? It originally comes from the Lat people. Lat is the Vietnamese form of the word Lat. In the Koho language, Da means water, so Dalat means water of the Lat people. But my Lat friend, who is a pastor, said Da can also mean country, so Dalat can also mean country of the Lat people. Koho society is also organized into clans. Their clan names include Kalong, Kadrun, Kabrih, Kabra, Kasieng, Kalieng, Panting, and Kating, just to name a few. Clans can help guide marriage rules, inheritance, and community relationships, which you will learn more about it later in this video.